Another rainy day in paradise. Another day of sitting in front of the computer. What else is a homebody going to do on a rainy day? Or a sunny day for that matter? Ugh. This tea smells like frog warts and dirt. But my brain craves a mind-enhancing vitamins. Poor old hobo shoestring. Alas, you left us too soon. Each man's death diminishes me, for I am involved in mankind. Therefore sin not to know for whom the bell tolls. It tolls for thee. I should do something with my life. Make cartoons. No, my channel is already cringe. Meh. My job is right here in front of the computer. Everyone needs someone to love, something to do, and something to look forward to. And this is all of it, right here. Thank goodness I have other parasocial friends. A little lonely hobgoblin like me needs friends. Not today, Adam. Ah, good old Jacob the carpetbagger. Nice to see you again.
Hey, you all. Carpetbagger here, coming to you live from the north. More specifically, we are in the north, but now it's time to head in that direction. Hopefully today, maybe we'll do a few stops today, see if we can see a few interesting things on the road, on our way.
I wonder how I'll die. Will I linger for a long time? I'm gonna get out of this deathbed and, wait, I'm still alive. Oops. Oop. Nope. Ugh. Or will I just keel over one day?
La la